Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jeep Journals. My name is Ray, and I want to tell you why I think most preppers are a lot of talk. When it comes down to it, many prepping sites have this array of all these things you can buy, but never talk about what if we actually are in an apocalypse? Like, what if right now, as I'm walking in these very woods, noticing no insects on an otherwise mostly sunny day, where typically we'd have at least birds in a wilderness area. What if during this time frame, we're already in an apocalypse? What if immediately from my left or right or behind me, somebody could come up running to take my supplies? You see, in a real apocalypse, we think that we wouldn't be making these videos, and yet during the era of former wars and current wars, we see plenty of people recording the issues that are going on around them. So for today's Minute in It, I just wanted you to think about that. Till next time, have a great day. Peace, love, and all that old school stuff.